Today we're going to be talking about the truth behind Tesla stock and their future growth. So let's get into the video. Hi everyone, my name is Zach and welcome back to Finance Bro. I just want to remind you guys that we just launched our channel memberships and it really helps us out and it helps support us. So if you guys are looking to do that in some way, you can join our channel memberships. We're posting every day in there about stock updates and stocks we like. So if you guys want to help support us and also get a little bit of a benefit, then you guys can join our channel memberships. And if you want 2 free stocks from WeBull and you have not made an account yet, go ahead and click the first link in the description and get all signed up. Without any further ado, let's get into today's stock, ticker symbol TSLA or Tesla. So a huge thing that I've seen about Tesla is that people think that the growth is priced into Tesla and that Tesla is way too high right now. But in today's video, we're going to be talking about why I think that people are wrong on Tesla and that Tesla hasn't even reached close to where it can get to. So let's get into that now. So first of all, let's get into this article. It is called Tesla delivered 184,800 vehicles in the first quarter of 2021. Model S and X production dropped to 0, and that's for a few reasons, but that doesn't really matter that much. What really matters is just the 184,000 vehicles sold in the first quarter. Or delivered, sorry, not sold. Tesla just reported first quarter vehicle production and delivery numbers for 2021, and in total it delivered 184,000 vehicles and produced 180,000 vehicles. All of the electric vehicles it produced were Model 3 sedans and Model Y crossover SUVs, though it also delivered 2020 Model S sedans and Model X SUVs. So they actually stopped production on that, or on the X and the S for a little bit because of some problems it was having at its plants, but they should be continuing those again soon. So moving on, analysts were expecting Tesla to deliver around 168,000 vehicles during this period, according to estimates compiled by FactSet. As of April 1st, estimates range from 145,000 to 188,000. So if you guys don't know who Meet Kevin is, he's actually one of the biggest bulls I know on Tesla, and he made a video before these production and delivery numbers came out, saying that he expected Tesla to underperform the 170,000 number of deliveries that we were seeing, the consensus estimate from most analysts. So he was expecting them to have about 150,000. But Meet Kevin still expects Tesla to deliver about 950,000. As we will probably get into in this article, but if we don't, I'll just say it now. Elon Musk expects to deliver 1 million cars by the end of this year. So obviously they're going to need to start picking up the deliveries in Q2, 3, and 4. But the first quarter of every year has notoriously been very bad for delivery numbers for EV companies. So that is something to think about. Next, they bring up an Elon Musk quote, and he said, "We have been able to bring forward the Plaid Model S and X. Model S will be delivered in February and Model X a little bit later." He added that the Model S Plaid were actually in production now. So they are producing, but they're not delivering. So the Model S Plaid is a luxury sedan that the company promises will go from 0 to 60 in less than 2 seconds, which is insane, but we are seeing a lot of EV companies being able to do some really insane stuff. But it all makes sense. So importantly for Tesla automotive margins, the Model S and X have a higher average sales price than the S and Y. The Model S Plaid costs from $79,990,000 to $149,990 according to Tesla's website. But Tesla's operations during the quarter ending March 31st, 2021 were ultimately impacted by a fire at its Fremont, California factory, temporary closures that Musk attributed to parts shortages, a broader chip shortage in the industry, port capacity issues, and the ongoing pandemic. So obviously we saw recently that NIO also had a chip shortage and had to stop production of all cars for 5 days. So NIO is probably going to be missing on deliveries and production. But Tesla has also seen some similar problems with the chip shortage. But yeah, Obviously, Tesla's latest delivery numbers represented more than 100% increase from the same period last year. So we are going to be seeing an increase in Tesla's production and deliveries this whole year, I believe. I believe they'll be going from 185,000 this quarter to maybe around 210 the next quarter, and then really start ramping up, as that's what we've been hearing from Elon Musk and Tesla in general. Now we have a tweet that Jim Cramer responded to, if you guys are big Jim Cramer fans, which suggested Tesla stock should jump from $1,000 to $1,000 soon and hit $1,200 or more in 2022, by saying it was aggressive but not out of the ballpark. Prior to the Q1 report, Tesla closed at a share of $661. So basically, Jim Cramer, he's bullish on Tesla, and basically, ARK Invest, very bullish on Tesla as well. Their bear case scenario by 2025 is that Tesla is at $1,500, and their bull case scenario is that Tesla is at $4,000 by 2025, and their real case scenario is going to be $3,000 by 2025. And the reason that this video is titled the truth behind Tesla's stock price, or whatever it is, I don't know how I'll do it, but basically people think that Tesla's future revenue and profits are already priced in, but that is far from the case, because people like ARK Invest expect Tesla to be reaching 5 million deliveries per year by 2025, and that would put them in a low PE ratio that in 2025 that would be like at $3,000 would be a perfect PE ratio for them at 5 million deliveries per year. So we basically just have to give Tesla time. It's going to be more slow growth now. People aren't going to be seeing 100% returns in like 3 months like we have been seeing month over month over month in the in the past year that we've been seeing. But Tesla's growth is still there. It can definitely still 3x, 4x, 5x over the next 5 years ish, or 3 to 5 years, honestly. And the good thing is that Tesla hasn't even seen the benefits from beating on the deliveries. I think on Monday Tesla is going to be way up. So let's get into the technical analysis. So obviously Tesla did it hit 700? One second. Oh, it hit 692 in April on April 1st. And it jumped a lot because of some good news it got, but over the day it did sell off, and we are seeing Tesla back into a oversold territory on the RSI. And if you look here, the blue line is about to cross over the orange line on the MACD, and Tesla's stock price is trading below the 50-day SMA line. So those are all three things that I am looking for in a buy. Tesla has reached under 29 RSI, so if RSI does go back up to 45, which I believe it will start strong on Monday, this is actually presenting a pretty good buying opportunity for me. This hasn't priced in anything about deliveries yet, because the delivery numbers came out on Friday and trading was obviously halted on Friday, or not halted, but not happening on Friday. So what I'm basically looking for here is for Tesla to open in the green on Monday, and I think I might be getting into a day or swing trade with Tesla. I think that this could definitely hit 700 on this good news, and right now in the 660 range would present a good buying opportunity in my opinion. But that's just my opinion. So as for my overall thoughts on Tesla, I'm a huge bull. I definitely hold it in my long-term portfolios, as I do see the 3 to 4 to 5x potential here, and I don't see anyone really competing with Tesla yet. CCIV is 5 years behind. NIO is in the Chinese market. They're not going to tap into the American market at all. Really, Tesla has a monopoly over electric vehicles in the American markets. I know that a lot of people think that Volkswagen can start competing here pretty soon, but they're behind Tesla, and Tesla is honestly the brand of electric vehicles right now. So my overall thoughts, Tesla's still going to the moon over the next 3 to 5 years. But I want to remind you guys that I'm not a financial advisor and that this is not financial advice. If you do want financial advice, make sure you seek it out from a professional financial advisor, not some random guy you met on the internet 5 minutes ago. But if you do want to start investing in Tesla or even trading it, and you have not made an account with WeBull yet, what are you doing? You got to get in the pre-market and after hours with us. All you got to do is make an account, deposit $100, $1,000 and you can get 2 free stocks worth up to $1,850. That's going to be it for me today. If you did enjoy, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe as it really helps with the YouTube algorithm and it shows we're doing something right here. But my name is Zach and I'll see you in the next video.